Hello and welcome to this demo video regarding Apache Airflow. I have decided to start training on Apache Airflow because that has been something that a lot of my students have been asking, and it is becoming a tool that will widely get adopted in the companies or already getting used. Hence, this course is something that I've built which aim towards how to set up Airflow or how to use Airflow for you in the company as a data engineer. Let me walk you through the details of the course so that it will be very helpful for you to understand what is this course capable of and why does this course matter for you. The audience for this course is something that I have to be very specific about because this course is not something that will also cover big data, etc. For whom is this training aimed at? First, you are currently already working with big data technology. So, what does it mean? You are working either as a big data developer or you are working as a data engineer, data analyst. You can be associated with any kind of data engineering progress or a project, then this course will be helpful. This course also is aimed towards senior managers or technical leads who might not be working hands-on directly every day, but they want to know what Airflow is, then this course is perfect for you. In general, you want to understand Airflow, then also this course is very good. If your company is planning to implement Airflow and you want to know what this tool is, how does it get used, what are the nitty-gritties around this tool, then basically this course is the best fit for you. Now that we have understood the details on the concepts, let us see the syllabus of it. Now, I have not went into the complete syllabus of this because it will not be ideal for me to just speak about it in the video, but I have given you a bird's view on the syllabus. We begin with a problem statement because we have to understand if we intend to learn a particular tool, why does this tool even exist? What problem is it solving is what we'll understand. Then I will be showing you how to set up Airflow using both EC2 instance and Docker, understanding Airflow terminologies, creating our DAGs, complete DAG structure, and then we'll be also going to multiple examples of DAG. So how do we set up DAG? What are the different scenarios that will come up in the companies, etc. Secrets, environment variable. Here, I would also speak about sensors. What are sensors? How can you use it? How can you use it to automate your tasks, etc. Then scaling up of Airflow to production. Here I will speak about serverless Airflow setups that exist. And I will also tell you how, when you go to a production level, how Kubernetes can also help you. I might not be able to show you practically because I might not have a Kubernetes cluster, but definitely I'll be explaining you the architectural design and stuff like that in detail. Why should you even take this course? Why should you take my training only? Why don't you take a different training? Definitely, it's a good question. So I would like to address it right away. First of all, my training is one-on-one training. I don't take a group batch unless you come with 3 or 4 friends who want to learn it. This is always one-on-one training. Why? Because I can give you 100% attention to your requirement. Now, everything that I teach you is AWS Cloud and Google Cloud. So nothing is set up locally, meaning you are already doing something in cloud. So even if you don't know this technology, when you go to an interview or in an existing company, you are upgrading your existing knowledge. And the course will take 5 to 8 sessions only. Each session will be 1.5 hours each. And based on this, we will be covering all the topics. Now, we might be surprised. So, is just five to 8 sessions enough? So, convert this 1.5 into 8 sessions, let us say. How much is it basically? It's around 12 hours of sessions. Now, you take any course in different platforms, there will not be more than this, but I'm actually giving you a one-on-one training which covers around 12 hours of content, and practically I will be showing it to you, and you can ask me all of different kinds of questions and interact with me, right? This is the major takeaway of this training. And if you are interested in this training, my email ID is given in the description. You can write an email to me regarding Airflow course. Then we can discuss how do you want to take it up and the other details around this course. I hope I have answered all the details regarding Airflow, what this course is meant for, what this course will cover, and why this course is important for you in terms of this training, or whom should this course be aimed at, etc. So I look forward for your email, and then we can start our journey with Apache Airflow and understanding Apache Airflow. That is it for this video, my friends. Thank you, and speak to you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.